So let's solve some problems now. These problems based on the chapter which we have just finished, right? So the first question here is based on the pure inductor, that is a circuit or an AC circuit having pure inductor, right? So a coil has an inductance of 1 Henry. So that means it is saying about L. So L is equals to 1 Henry. So this is the coil which we have, a coil of inductance 1 Henry, right? So this coil is there whose inductance is 1 Henry, and then the few questions which we have to solve are that at what frequency will it have a resistance of, at what frequency will it have a reactance of 3142 ohm. So first part is you have to find the frequency for which it will have reactance. Reactance means in case of inductor, we'll show it as XL. So we want to find that frequency for which XL will be equals to 3142 ohms. So it is these oppositions, the reactance which we have seen, they are also oppositions. So even their unit is ohms, right? So you have to find the frequency for which XL will be equals to 3142 ohms. And the second part of this question is what should be the capacity of a capacitor which has the same reactance at that frequency. So you have to find C for a capacitor which should be there and which has the same reactance at that frequency. So C equals to what, or what should be the value of C if we want the XC to be equals to 3142 itself at the same F, that is at the same frequency. So I hope this is clear, the two parts of this question. So there is a coil, there is a inductor or a coil. Now this coil is already there whose inductance is given, right? And you have to find that frequency for which its XL is equals to 3142. And then instead of this, if I want a capacitor to be used, then in that capacitor, what should be the capacity or the capacitance so that I'll get XC and XL here. These two should be same at the same frequency. So this is what we have to solve here, right? Now let's start solving this. Coming to the first part, we know that this XL, right? What is XL? XL, or the reactance, inductive reactance, is actually equal to omega L, or 2 pi into F into L. Now what do you have? You actually have XL. You don't know this F, and this F is what you have to find, right? So what will be this F? So this F will be equal to, from this expression I can say this will be equals to XL divided by 2 pi L. So now you just have to substitute the values. So XL is actually 3142 divided by 2 pi, that is 2 into 3.142 I can say, into L is 1 Henry. So this is actually 1000 divided by 2, which is nothing but 500. And what will be the unit here? It will be in hertz. So you have got your answer of the first part, that the frequency here is actually equal to 500 hertz in both the cases. So now we have the frequency, and now we have to find the C so that it has the same reactance. So XC is equals to what? XC is also equals to 3142. What do we have to find? We have to find now C. What do we know about XC? XC, that is capacitive reactance, is equal to 1 by omega C. And that is nothing but 1 by 2 pi f C. Now what do you have to find? C. So that means this C is equal to, from here, I can say that this will be equals to 1 by 2 pi f x C. Right? So now we just have to substitute these values. So these values, if I substitute, it will be equals to 1 by 2 into 3.142 into, that is 2 pi, into f is 500, into c is, sorry, into xc is 3142. Right? So this is nothing but 1 by 3142 square, because 2 into 500 is 1000, and that into 3.142 will be 3142. So this will be 1 by 3142 whole square. Right? So this will be your answer. Or if you calculate this, it comes out to be 0.11 microfarad. So this is how this question has to be solved. Very simple question, and mostly the questions which you will get here will be directly formula based. Only thing is, something like here you can see one of the things from the formula will be missing, and you will have to find that. And sometimes it may be twisted, but not much. Maximum you will see that it may be something like this. Okay, so this was one of the problems. Let's see what is the next problem. Okay, so that was about, and similarly you will have questions and questions where you will have LNC, where you have only R. All those things will also come into picture. And most important is the question which you will get, which will be based on the LCR series circuit, that is having all the three, and obviously on the combination of these, that is LCR series circuit and the resonance, right? So the resonance of LCR series circuit, there will be questions on that as well. So let's target the next question, and next question will be actually based on the same formula, right? So before moving to the next question, few things which we have already seen, that is the Z is always equals to E RMS divided by I RMS, or E naught divided by I naught, because E RMS and I RMS are nothing but E naught by root 2. So anyways, that root 2 will get cancelled. And based on the circuit elements, it is equals to R square plus XL minus XC whole square and root of that. So these are the two formulas for Z, and obviously XL is what? Omega L, and XC is what? 1 by omega C, right? Then you have already seen that this tan phi will be equal to, from where this tan phi came, it came from this diagram. This was phi, this was R, and this was XL minus XC. So tan phi is nothing but XL minus XC divided by R. Okay, or that is tan phi. And same way we have also seen that cos phi is actually equal to R divided by Z. Okay, and then the situation of resonance. For resonance, what is the requirement? for resonance, the requirement is that XL should be equals to XC. So that is the basic definition. XL should be equal to XC. And when that is the case, what happens? Actually, your omega L is equals to 1 by omega C, or omega square is equals to 1 by LC. So we have two requirements or two expressions for that. That is omega is equals to 1 by root LC, or F, that is resonating frequency, is equals to 1 by 2 pi root LC. So these were the basic formulas based on which we'll have our current or the new or the problems which we are going to see. That will be, those problems will be based on these formula, right? Apart from this, we have also seen, yes, there is one more, that is Q factor. So what was Q factor? Q factor is quality factor. And this for this Q factor also we had one formula, that is this will be equal to Q factor is equals to the resonating frequency divided by 2 delta omega, or which is nothing but the resonating frequency, angular frequency, divided by omega 2 minus omega 1, or omega high minus omega low, right? So that is about Q factor. Now the questions will be actually based on these only, right? So let me see some problem which is based on this. So as you can see here in this question, the data which is given is that there is a series circuit having a resistance of 50 ohm resistance, an inductor of 20 by pi Henry inductance, a capacitor of 5 by pi microfarad capacitance, and these three are connected in series to a source of 230 volt supply and 230 volts and 50 hertz supply. That means this supply, the EMF, the AC EMF has 50 hertz of frequency, right? So that is your F. Now what do we have to find? We have to find the impedance of this circuit. So this question is directly based on formula, that is the impedance Z is actually equal to what? It is equal to R square plus omega L minus 1 by omega C, that is XL minus XC whole square, that is Z square, right? Or you can say that this is R square plus omega is nothing but 2 pi F. So this is 2 pi FL minus 1 by 2 pi FC whole square. So this is nothing, this is not Z, this is actually Z square. Anyways, so R square plus, okay, now you substitute the values because now all the values are there. R is 50 ohms, write it there, 50 square plus 2 pi into F. F is what? 50 hertz. So write 50 there into L. L is how much? 20 divided by pi. So that is 20 by pi. That is XL. Minus XC is 1 by 2 pi into F is again 50 into, where is that? Capacitance. Capacitance is 5 by pi. So 5 by pi, but microfarad, right? This is 5 by pi microfarad. Okay. So let's solve that. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. This is your XL minus XC whole square. Now what do we have to do? We have to simplify this. This is 50 square. You can actually find them individually as well. Anyways, this pi gets cancelled. So this is 5 into 4, 20. So this is 2000 minus, okay, here also pi gets cancelled. This is 10 to the power minus 6. So if I cancel this, it will come here, 10 to the power plus 6. Okay, so now what do we have here in down? We have 25 into 250, 500, 10 to the power 6 divided by 500. So that I can write it as 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. So that is 500 into 2. So that is also equals to 2000. I hope this is correct. So 2000 minus 2000 square. So 2000 minus 2000 is 0. So this is actually equals to 50 square. So your Z square is equals to 50 square, or we can say that this Z in this case is equals to 50 ohms itself, right? Because here we have got 2000, because this XL and XC are same. So we have solved it, and as you can see, it's not asked, but this is also the situation for resonance. This is a situation of resonance. Why? Because XL and XC are same. Okay, so that was one of the questions based on LCR series circuit, and not exactly resonance, but as we have seen, it is actually case of resonance.